Hello guys, so today we are going to see a lift made up of steel structure, right? So for that we will do the analysis and design. So go to start. So recent we have done our lift and staircase with concrete, right? So now we will go to steel. So go to emitter, lift, steel, meters, finish. So we have opened our software, right? So we'll take 2 by 2. So it's okay. So now close the mesh. So here, so select this one, go to translational repeat. So you got Y and it has 3 meters. It has 3 steps, link steps. Okay, and delete the first one. Zoom it. So now here we are done with our structure, right? So now go to the front view, go to general, click on support, create, add, select this one and select our supports. Drag the supports, right? Go to assign and S. So now we have assigned our supports to our software, right? So now we need to add the property for this. For that, go to property. If you want to define structure, so if you want to select here, we can select the steel, right? So I'm going to my rectangle. So for that, we can select our steel structures, right? We can go to define or we can select the section database, right? So we'll see one material, so how it will look like, right? Go to rectangle, so select 3.35 by 0.35, select this material as steel, add and close. Now select one column, assign to select reviews and assign. Go to here, so here you can see, but it's look like a concrete column, but it is of steel, so we are unable to see it, right? So go to general property. So this is the property, so we'll delete this. So we'll take the regular section database. So if you click the section database, it will take some time. So here it has opened the books, code book. So go to Indian. So we'll take the I shape, right? So we're gonna take the channel section of I channels, right? So we are going to take this as our section, right? Click on add. So we are going to select over this as for the beams. Select this one, go to select beams parallel to Y, assign and S. So if you go to 3D, so here we can see, right? Select this one and select beams parallel to X, beams parallel to Z. Assign and S. Go to 3D. So here you can see, right, the channels. So the beam channels has done, right? So now we need to add the materials. Go to steel, so interview, assign and S. Now go to loads and combinations, definitions, go to load cases and take the assess, dead load, add, and the live load, add and close. Now go to dead load, add the self weight, add and close. Assign to view, assign and close. Go to live load, add. We're going to take this member load as 3, add and close. Select this one, assign to view, assign and close. So it has assigned, right? Analysis, right? We have given the load, support, everything, right? Go to analysis, on add and close. Analysis, run analysis and save. So we are done with 0 errors, 0 and 0, right? Now go to post processing, click on done, click on OK. Go to animation, click on deflection and OK. So there is no deflection for this, right? Now go to beam, select F5. So you can see the F5, the bending moment, right? So this is what actual force we will take, the shear force, right? So these are the shear force for this beams and columns. Now if you see the bending moment, so this is the bending moment, right? So this is the shear force at y direction, and if you see the bending moment about z direction and about y direction, these are the, so you can increase, you can show this by more rotating the mouse wheel button and by pressing control, right? So we are done with it. So now we will go to the design part. For that, go to model, go to design. So here we can find our steel, right? So our steel code is IS 800, right? So we have to take IS 800 limit state design, right? So these days we are using the limit state. In olden days they have used a working stress, right? So select this. So now we will take some parameters, right? So we will take the yield strength of steel, ultimate tensile strength of steel, right? And okay, now select parameters. We will add the default values, right? And add and close. Go to commands. We will select the check code and the group code. We will take some number takeoff, select, add, takeoff, add and close. So we'll go to this, assign to view, assign and close. We'll still assign to view, assign and close. Check code, assign to view, assign and close. Group, assign to view, assign and close. Still assign to view, assign and close. Select, assign to view, assign and close. So we have to assign all this, right? Now we have done with our analyzing all the properties of our design, right? So now go to analysis, on add and close, analysis and run analysis. So we are done with 0 errors and warnings. So warnings we can neglect, right? So here we have all our, these are the beam stresses, right? So this will happen due to beam stresses, right? So here we can select our beams. So you can select the beams properties. These are the loading. So this is the shear bending no deflection, the design property, and this is the steel design. So like this, we can analysis and design our right. So we can check the unity checks, stresses. So these are the stresses for this. Select this column. So the forces acting over here. You can see the animations about deflection. So this is due to live load and this is due to dead load. Go to nodes. Displacement values we can see over here with the reactions, right? So like we use it to calculate in our structural, right? In the structural analysis. So it will automatically analyze our support reactions and everything. So modeling, so this row structure, so it is of very big size and so we can also change the materials and we can do the analysis and print out this, right? So this is how we can do a analysis and design of a steel lift in our Staadpro software. Thank you.